everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is Extension DIY eyelash extensions. I actually bought these off Amazon for around $20. I actually like this brand a lot. I've never tried this kit, but I have tried their eyelashes. I did not get to review those. I was actually just testing them out, and I absolutely love those. So when I seen that they had an eyelash extension kit, you know I had to get it. So everything that comes in this box is, okay, so this is what it looks like. You take this out, and that just kind of probably tells you about it. Tells you how to apply them and everything like that. And these are the lashes that it comes with. They're super soft. So it comes with the eyelash applicator. I believe this is a spoolie. So that's pretty cool. And then it comes with the glue. Oh, two different eyelash glues. So I normally use the CALAILIS glue, and I absolutely love this glue. I've been using eyelash extensions for about over a month now, and they do last about a week. I cannot get them to last longer than that. Like, I do have a few fall off, and then if you just reapply the glue, you can stick them back on and they would last longer than a week. But I do find them to be like coming too far off the roots by a week, just from washing my face and everything. I always make sure not to get my lashes wet either. So I'm curious to see how this glue is going to work. I don't know the formula or anything like that. Like I said, this is the glue that I've been using. I will also link this down in the description box below if you want to try this one out. It retails for $10 and it's amazing. I've used probably 4 or 5 different eyelash sets and it's still going. I've probably been using eyelash extensions for about a month now, longer than a month, because I was doing it way before I went to Oklahoma, which was about a month ago. So longer than a month, and they last about a week. I also wanted to show you guys my room. I painted my wall green, like an emerald green. Do you see how pretty that is? I absolutely love it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do that, and I just went for it, and I love it. I love it. I love my room now. So stinking nice. So we're just gonna get right into this so this video is not like super drug out. I do have a mirror down here. It's actually nice because it's really tall. So I'm hoping that you guys will be able to see a lot better. And I'm just going to get the applicator. So they do have, the lashes that come with it are 12 millimeters and 14. You'd want to put some of the 14 on the outer corner, like on the outside, and then work your way with the 12s in the inner. I've never tried 14. That's the longest that I've tried. So, that I'm going to try. I usually get 12 millimeters with a D-curl, and that's what these look like. It's like a D-curl. I'm nervous about this glue. Okay, so I'm going to apply this glue. As you can see, it has the micro mascara wand, just super thin. I'm just going to apply it on this outer corner. I don't apply it all the way over. I apply it like that. And then while it's getting a little tacky, I'm going to get my little tweezers that it comes with. And then you just want to grab some from underneath and slightly pull out. They'll pop right out. And then I'm going to take some of the same glue and I'm going to apply it on the lash band, like right here. Now you glue these from underneath your lashes. I'm just going to kind of show you how to apply them. I want it at the tip. So you just grab it like this. Okay, so far this is not as sticky as the other glue. Normally it's like sticky by now. So this glue is not sticky at all. I'm going to go ahead and use my clayless glue just because, I mean, I want these lashes to last. And that glue is not like, normally they're like already really tacky, and as soon as I put my lash to it, you'll see a difference. Even if you had to buy the glue separately, to me it would be worth it. I mean, eyelash extensions are normally really, I'm just gonna show you the difference. Like you've seen, I could not get that lash to stick for nothing. Watch with this glue. You can see how much better that stuck on. Like the other one just was not wanting to stick. Now it's coming off a little bit. That's how it should do. It should just like stick almost instantly. So I'm gonna do one more of the 14s on this side, and then I'm going to switch to the 12s. So that's what it looks like on the outer side. And then I'm gonna start working in my 12s. Ah, man, it's like I really want this to work because, I mean, this is a super cheap eyelash set, but it's like, it's not. I'm gonna try it again. And now as you can see, I'm going in with the 12s. Grab it and just slightly pull. I'm gonna put some glue on the base. Dang it. Pulled out a little cluster. Okay, that time it stuck really well without putting the other eyelash glue. So this is kind of getting a little sticky, so I'm gonna take some sealant and I'm gonna run it between this. It was actually a tip from one of my subscribers. She's like, try doing that. And I'm like, that's a great idea. So go ahead, I wanna move quickly because I don't want them to start sticking. So I'm taking another 12 millimeters. And that's what it looks like so far. I love it. So I would say probably one more 12 and that should be good. So if you don't grab it just right, as you can see, I left 2 hairs right there because you need it. I didn't grab them all at the same time and pull. So you just have to make sure that when you're grabbing them with these, you get every little lash, because sometimes they do break off like that if you do not do that. But you can see like the difference. Like I love lash extensions, and I'm going to show you from the side and everything how it looks. You can see they're all on. And then what I like to do, I'm going to put a little bit more sealant just to keep it, all the glue from sticking on here. I'm going to press them down. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go get a Q-tip so I can clean up where I got a little bit of glue on my skin real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I cleaned up the eyelash glue, and I'm just going to take my spoolie that it came with and just kind of brush them through. You can see this glue is not the best. It's not as good as the CALAILIS. So if I was to recommend just buying the CALAILIS glue to apply these, because this glue is not the best. The CALAILIS is way better. I may have to reapply this because it's coming off. So that would be my recommendation. Just go ahead, buy the lash set, because the lashes are pretty and you're getting a better deal by buying the set, because these retail for $9.99 a piece, so $10, and for the whole lash set it was $19. So you get the tweezers and some of this glue. Maybe this glue will work better when it dries out a little bit, because I know like a lot of times when you first buy something it's more wet and stuff, like mascara, like it won't work the best the first few times of use. But you see just how much better this glue, it just sticks almost instantly. It's like such a difference, because that was not sticking. So it looks so much better. I need to get some of my other tweezers. I have a headache. So I got some glue right here, and what I usually do when that happens, just take some pointy tweezers and just kind of pull it out. And forgive my nails, I need to get them done. I need to buy the stuff to do them. I've been painting my house for like 2 weeks straight now, and my nails got tortured. I still have like paint embedded in them. It's like super hard to get off. It's just, my lashes fell off. It was just a good old time. I cried them off actually, because when my cousin died, just crying for days in a row. But I was painting, so it helped keep my mind busy, so I like that. So that's what it looks like, and I'll kind of show you from the side how they look. Okay, that's how they look like from the side. You can see, let me see if it kind of shows. So that's what it looks like. You can see super, super pretty. Just trying to see how I'm doing it. They're like gorgeous. I absolutely love these lashes. They're so pretty. And look at the difference. Both sides. I am going to get some brow henna very soon. I have it in my Amazon cart. I'm just waiting to buy it. But that way I can like stain my brows, and then with the lashes I will feel done. Like my hair is wet right now, sorry. But it's just such a pretty look. My brows aren't bad. This is like natural. They're not bad, but I would just like to fill it in with some brow henna. That way I just don't have to do my brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward doing this eye. Let's hope that it runs a little smoother, and I will be using the CALAILIS, because I know I'm gonna have to be reapplying these just by how they're already falling off. So I'm gonna use the CALAILIS on this side, and you'll see the difference of how much faster I'm able to apply them. So let's get into this. So as you can see on this side, how much smoother that application was, like night and day. And they're actually, it's not sticky, but I think it's because the glue wasn't that sticky on that side. So I don't feel like I need to set it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna press all these together, make sure that glue's nice and in there, so I like kind of pull sideways. So you can see the difference, like, oh, I love it. You see? They're just so stinking pretty. I'm probably gonna have to reapply these. They're probably gonna fall out. They're just not as sticky. So stinking pretty. I absolutely love these. They are so pretty. Okay, so that's everything that I use. As you can see, I did use a little more of the 12 because those are the ones that go in the inward part. And I used 4 total of the outer ones. I used 3 total of the inner ones. And I could do another set with these for 20 bucks. They'll last a week. So not bad at all, like you could see. And like I said, you could probably use them longer than this. Like a lot of times what I'll do when I get done using a lash set, I will take them off and then I'll wash them and then I can reapply them. So these ones are pretty durable. So I believe that you could rewash these if you wanted to after you're done using them. If you don't want to, you can always just throw them away and buy a new set. But I really do like this set. I think it's pretty and just very cute. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless.